right sides together. A super helpful trick when hemming a curved garment to get a smooth curve is to fold the side edge up by the amount of the hem. This skirt will be hemmed 1 inch, so I'm going to fold the bottom edge up by 1 inch and pin. I will catch this fold when sewing or serging this side seam. This is what it will look like once you've finished your side seams. Turn your skirt right sides out. This folded edge will be a helpful guide when hemming the skirt. Fold the remaining raw edge of the skirt 1 inch towards the wrong side of the fabric. Pin along the folded edges. Top stitch along the raw edge to secure.